This is the heavy-duty 90-degree corner clamp from Grip. Made from aluminium alloy, it really makes easy work of assembling wood pieces perpendicular to each other. Its 65mm jaw capacity can be used for T and corner joints and comes in particularly useful when joining mitered cuts. A great feature is these quick adjust buttons, saving you time. Let's look at how it works. Place your wood in the clamp and roughly align it. Then turn the handles to finely adjust the individual jaws, creating enough force to keep the mating surfaces from moving, and then screw or nail into place. Overall, a simple and effective way to save time when assembling projects like boxes, cabinets, frames and drawers. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.